So today, right now, at this very moment, make a promise to yourself. A promise that you will not ignore your health. A promise that you will give yourself the chance to live life again. Just one small step. Just one daily habit. And then see how life changes. Love yourself, take care of your body, and make every day meaningful. Old age is not the end, but a new beginning. So why not take that first step today? As old age approaches, the human body gradually becomes weaker. The hands, the arms, the legs that have supported you throughout life now start feeling like a burden. Climbing stairs becomes difficult, sometimes even standing up from a chair becomes a challenge. The heart wishes that time could go back. But is that possible? The truth is, time cannot be turned back, but there are habits that can breathe new life into your body. Especially when it comes to muscle strength, a small daily habit can completely change your life. First, it is important to understand that as we age, the protein levels in our bodies decrease. This reduction directly impacts our bones and muscles. This is why even a little walking can leave you tired. However, if we make just a small change in our diet, significant benefits can follow. Add one protein-rich food to your daily diet, whether it's a boiled egg, a glass of milk, chickpeas, or yogurt. Protein repairs our muscles and gives them strength again. At the same time, do some light physical activity daily, like a 10 to 15-minute walk. This exercise not only keeps the body active, but also improves blood circulation. This way, all parts of the body function better. Some people think that only medicine is the solution, but the reality is that small daily changes can solve big health issues. If you consistently take protein and do light exercise, your muscles will start getting stronger within weeks. You'll feel young again, as if you're 40 years old. The tasks you once abandoned will become possible again. Your grandchildren will run to play with you, and you'll be able to run with them. The body will feel lighter, sleep will improve, and most importantly, you'll feel complete again. Remember, old age is not a disease. It's a beautiful phase of life. If we accept it and make positive changes in our lives accordingly, we can not only live longer, but also live a healthy and happy life. Start adding protein to your diet today and make a 10-minute walk a daily routine. No need for medicines, no expensive treatments, just one habit. Yes, if the body has become too weak, consult a doctor. But start with yourself. God has placed incredible power in our bodies. We just need to awaken it. Your bones still have strength. Your muscles still have movement. Your heart still has the beat of youth. So why not take that first step today? Why not promise yourself that you will not ignore your health? By adopting just one daily habit, we can brighten our lives again. We can feel young again, because your life is not over yet. In fact, the real time to live has just begun. Sometimes, all we need is a small hint for a new beginning. It could be the first ray of sunlight in the morning, or a loving sentence from someone dear. Never consider old age as weakness. It is another name for maturity. Those who have learned a lot on life's journey can never be weak. But if the body doesn't cooperate, even the spirit can start to fade. That's why taking care of the body is essential at every age. Remember, a healthy body is the first door to happiness. When your body is strong, everything else seems easy. Protein is not only for the young, it's essential for people of every age. Whether you are 60 or 70, protein supports the muscles. A glass of milk, a boiled egg, or a spoonful of yogurt. Small things, big benefits. When protein reaches the body, it creates new life from within. If a little light exercise is done daily, it works wonders. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening, just take out that time for yourself. This time can become the most valuable moments of your life. Keep your body in motion so life doesn't feel stagnant. When blood circulation improves, the heart feels lighter. The lightness of the heart brings peace to the mind. Then, sleep improves, and the day shines brighter. Some people say nothing can be done in old age. Prove them wrong. You can still do a lot. Just believe in yourself. Life is a gift, and every day is a new opportunity. Don't let this opportunity go to waste, no matter your age. Start every morning with hope, not complaints. Look at yourself in the mirror and smile as you say, I am ready. Ready for a new life, a new journey. Life is what we make of it. If we want, even old age can be filled with happiness. Don't just rely on medicine. Pay attention to your diet as well. Medicine provides temporary relief, but food strengthens from within. Especially protein, it is a treasure of inner strength. The body needs movement. The heart needs peace. The lightness of the heart brings peace to the mind. Then, sleep improves, and the day shines brighter. Some people say nothing can be done in old age. Prove them wrong. You can still do a lot. Just believe in yourself. Life is a gift, and every day is a new opportunity. Don't let this opportunity go to waste, no matter your age. Start every morning with hope, not complaints. Look at yourself in the mirror and smile as you say, I am ready. Ready for a new life, a new journey. Life is what we make of it. If we want, even old age can be filled with happiness. Don't just rely on medicine. Pay attention to your diet as well. Medicine provides temporary relief, but food strengthens from within. Especially protein, it is a treasure of inner strength. The body needs movement, the heart needs peace, and the mind needs hope. When these three come together, old age becomes beautiful. Talk to the people around you. Connect with them. Loneliness is also a disease that silently eats away at the body. Meet people, laugh, talk. This too is a medicine. Learn to be happy because happiness is the mother of health. When the heart is happy, the body begins to heal on its own. Abstinence, a little exercise, and good food. Just these three principles to remember. Start your day with gratitude to God, and make a promise to yourself. A promise that today, I will do something for myself. Because when you give importance to yourself, life also starts to value you. Your grandchildren want to see you laugh and play. Your children want you to stay healthy. And most importantly, your own heart wants you to be happy. So, what are you waiting for? Make a new start, today, right now, at this moment. Don't let old age be a weakness. Turn it into strength. Love yourself and give your body what it deserves. Because your life is still precious and worth living. Our body changes with time, and old age is a natural part of that. However, there are many reasons why we age quickly. In today's video, we will talk in detail about the causes of aging, ways to prevent it, and corrective measures so that you can have a long and healthy life. Old age is primarily genetically determined. If people in your family aged quickly, you may also be prone to this. But in addition to genetics, lifestyle plays a significant role. Pollution in the environment, harmful sun rays, and chemicals can accelerate skin aging. Prolonged exposure to these factors leads to signs of early aging, such as wrinkles, dryness, and changes in skin color. An imbalanced diet, such as excessive fat, processed foods, and sugar, accelerates the signs of aging. Deficiencies in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C and E, damage the skin and cause aging signs. If you are not physically active, your muscles weaken, and your overall health is affected, speeding up the effects of aging. Lack of sleep accelerates the signs of aging on the body. When you don't get enough sleep, the process of body repair and energy regeneration slows down. With aging, the skin loses its elasticity, leading to wrinkles and lines. The skin becomes dry, and its color fades. With aging, the strength of bones decreases, and joint pain and swelling start, making movement difficult. Mental abilities decline, such as poor memory and difficulty making decisions, which are also signs of aging. Along with aging, vision power also decreases, and the risk of eye diseases, such as cataracts and other vision problems, increases. Include fresh fruits, vegetables, protein, and antioxidants in your diet. The vitamins and minerals in these foods improve skin health and slow down aging. Exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. Exercise improves blood circulation, strengthens the immune system, and increases muscle strength, which slows down the effects of aging. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night so that the body's repair process works properly. Lack of sleep negatively affects both physical and mental health. Adequate water intake is essential for skin hydration. It keeps the skin moist and also improves internal cleansing. Use sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful sun rays and avoid spending too much time in the sun. These are the primary causes of premature skin aging. For mental peace, adopt meditation, yoga, or other mental activities. Solving puzzles, learning new skills, or reading books is beneficial for mental health. Long-term anger and mental stress can accelerate the signs of aging. Promote peace, happiness, and positive thinking in your life. Get regular checkups to assess your health and detect diseases early. Spend time with friends and family. Social relationships provide mental peace and can slow down the effects of aging. Keep yourself busy with different activities. Gardening, playing sports, or learning a new skill keeps you young and energized. So friends, old age is a natural process, but we can slow down its pace. Adopting a healthy lifestyle and incorporating these corrective measures, a light heart brings calm to the mind. When your soul is at ease, sleep becomes deeper, and every sunrise feels brighter. Some say aging limits us, but that's a myth. You still have endless potential. All it takes is belief in yourself. Life is a precious gift, and each morning brings a fresh chance to start over. Don't let age define your limits. Begin your day with hope in your heart, not complaints on your lips. Look in the mirror and say with a smile, "I'm ready." Ready to embrace this new chapter. Life is what we shape it to be. Even in later years, happiness is still within reach. Don't just depend on pills. Nurture your body with good nutrition. Medicine may ease symptoms, but food heals from within. Especially protein. It's a silent powerhouse that builds your strength. The body thrives on movement, the heart on calm, and the mind on hope. When all three align, aging turns graceful. Talk to those around you. Stay connected. Loneliness is a silent illness that weakens more than the body. It touches the spirit. Laughter, conversations, human connections, they're medicine too. Learn to smile often, because happiness is the root of good health. A joyful heart heals the body. Balance, a bit of daily exercise, and a healthy diet. These are the golden rules. Begin every day with gratitude and make a promise to yourself. Today, I'll do something good for me. When you value yourself, life returns that value tenfold. Your grandchildren love to see you smile. Your children wish for your health, and your own soul craves joy. So why wait? Start fresh, now, today, this very moment. Turn your age into your strength. Honor yourself. Your life is still beautiful and meaningful. Aging is a natural part of life, but many things can make it happen faster than it should. In today's video, we'll explore the causes of early aging, how to prevent it, and how to live a longer, healthier life. Genetics do play a role. If your family aged quickly, you might be more prone to it. But lifestyle matters just as much. Environmental pollution, harsh sunlight, and exposure to chemicals can make skin age faster. These lead to dryness, wrinkles, and dull skin tone. A poor diet, heavy in fats, sugars, and processed foods, adds fuel to the fire. Lack of vitamins like C and E weakens the skin's ability to repair and glow. Physical inactivity weakens muscles and speeds up the aging process. Not getting enough sleep also impacts aging. Without proper rest, your body can't repair itself effectively. As we age, the skin loses its firmness, bones lose their strength, and joints become stiff. Memory fades, decision-making becomes harder, and vision declines. These are all signs of aging. To slow these changes, focus on nutrition. Add fruits, vegetables, proteins, and antioxidants to your meals. These nourish the skin and body from within. Aim for 30 minutes of exercise daily. This boosts circulation, strengthens the immune system, and keeps muscles young. Sleep 7 to 8 hours each night to support body repair. Water is vital too. Hydrated skin looks youthful and functions better. Sunscreen is essential. Protect your skin from UV rays. To stay mentally sharp, practice meditation or try new things. Reading, solving puzzles, learning skills. Long-term stress and anger fast-track aging. Instead, embrace peace and positivity. Get health checkups regularly. They help detect problems early. Most importantly, spend time with loved ones. Social bonds keep the heart young. So remember, while aging is inevitable, how we age is in our hands. With the right mindset and lifestyle, you can make old age your golden age.